A big part of eating like a farmer is using every part of the vegetable and not letting anything go to waste. So I'm really passionate about teaching people how to cook with root tops. Case in point, these beautiful beets. So beets are in the same family as Swiss chard, and Swiss chard is that big, beautiful leafy green with a really colorful stem. So these tops are essentially like a cousin to Swiss chard. So I love tossing them into salads, or I'll saute them in a pan with some olive oil, some lemon juice and garlic, throw them into soup or a stew. You really can't go wrong. These greens are really delicious and versatile and nutritious. Alright, so now I'm going to teach you how to just remove the tops from the roots. All you do is just take your knife, and you want to cut about an inch above the root. And this is really important to do as soon as you get home, because these stems and leaves are going to draw moisture out of your root, and it's going to make your carrot or your beet or your radish go limp, and no one wants a limp beet. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just remove the tops from all of these guys, because now I'm going to show you how to store these. So with the roots, usually what I do is just pop them into a produce bag. I like that it's nice and breathable, and I'll just pop this into my vegetable drawer in my fridge. And then with the tops, what you want to do is, sometimes I'll take some of the stems off if it's a little too much. And though these are totally edible too, keep in mind. But then I'll put these into either a container or a Ziploc bag with some dry paper towels to make sure it absorbs any excess moisture. So hopefully this is some inspiration to start cooking with those root tops. And be sure to check out my other videos that have some recipes and techniques so that you can keep eating like a farmer.